In this video, we're going to be having a look at the Metabo chop saw, designation CS23355. CS for chop saw, 23 for the 2300 watt motor, 355 for your blade diameter. Having a look at scope of delivery, it's in a cardboard box, complete machine, and owner's manual, no blades. Let's have a look at features and benefits of this machine. This machine has a massive guard with thick material, a very large movable guard, but still allowing you good visibility on your cuts. Rubber foot for self-opening. At the back, you have your spark deflector. On the base plate, you have your work clamp that rotates from 90 to 45 degrees. For loosening, for high-speed, larger pieces, you fold that back, and then you can clamp your workpiece. As time is money, it's fast and quick and easy. Over here on the side of the base plate, you have your double-sided spanner for loosening your clamp and rotating it through 45 degrees. This spanner is also the correct spanner for blade changes. As you can see, large flanges for safety. I will show you now the spanner fits onto the base plate. Turning the machine forward, over here you see a spindle lock clamp, so you only need one spanner for blade changes. On the front here you have your safety switch, a 4-finger switch for ergonomics with your safety lock in front. Then you have your depth stop over here should you not wish to cut right through your material. Turning the machine further, this is where your spanner stores onto your base plate. And over here is your locking pin to put the machine in transportation mode to go to site. Very compact and easy. As mentioned before, 2300 watt motor, brushed, and easy service ports for your brushes. You will notice that this base plate has on 3 corners rubber feet and not on the top right hand corner. That foot is for grounding. These 3 rubber feet are for self-leveling as well as absorbing vibration. Now let's have a look at the blade Metabo recommends. We as Metabo recommend the softer of the blades. In the Metabo code, it's the 338 blade, not the 339. Reason we recommend the softer blade is that yes, the blade disintegrates slightly faster, however it cuts easier, which protects your gears and gives you longevity on your motor. Should you use the harder of the blades, the blade very often gets glazed. When a blade gets glazed, you're actually melting the steel, not cutting the steel, and then the operator has to force and put more pressure on, which puts excessive strain and wear onto your gears, as well as your motor heats up. Also, some troubleshooting, that is when people force the machine because the blade's not cutting and the accessory is not doing the work. So you as the operator loading the machine is doing the work, and the blade starts wandering to the left or the right, and that is when operators cut into their base plate. So always remember, troubleshooting, if you've cut into your base plate, have a look at your blade. You're using a hard blade or your blade is glazed, and you as the operator are not allowing the accessory to do the work in the cutting. Should you have any further queries, please contact Metabo SA directly or your nearest Metabo dealer.